Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are watching from. Welcome to today's video where, as you can see by the title, Sephora is currently having a 20% off friends and family sale. So I was lucky enough to get a code for that. I'll tell you guys a little bit more information about that. And Luisa is also sponsoring a part of today's video, which I am so excited about. I love receiving their jewelry. And then I found something that is just so perfect for this fall at American Eagle. So I'm going to show you guys all of that. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First and foremost, I do want to say a huge thank you to each and every single one of you. Oh my gosh, I did not expect to cry so soon into this video. This is the first video of me filming since my dog has passed. And I just wanted to say thank you so much to everybody that commented on his little tribute video that I made for him. If you haven't seen that, I will have it linked down in the description, as well as over here at the top. You can click on that. But I did lose my dog to cancer. It's been almost 2 weeks. Tomorrow will be the 2-week mark, and I took a long time off. I couldn't film, I couldn't edit, but I am trying to get back into it because I really do miss you guys. Talking about this, it still gets me choked up, but I appreciate every single one of you that reached out to me via Instagram DMs or in the comments, just saying your condolences and also telling me a little bit more about the time you lost your animal and how that was for you guys. This is the biggest heartbreak that I've ever gone through. It has affected me a lot. I'm still riding the waves. Sometimes I'm happy, other times I'm sad. Like, it's just a process, and honestly, I'm just taking it day by day. But I do have a lot of content that I want to show you guys. I have a lot of Italy content that I have not finished editing. Like, I even have a massive luxury haul coming for you guys, but I'm going to push out the Italy content first, and I did also just want to film this. First up, as I said, Luisa is sponsoring this portion of the video, so shout out to them, and thank you so much for sending me new jewelry. I truly love Luisa's jewelry. Like, I've been working with them for over a year now. I have their earrings. I did also bring some of their earrings to Rome with me, and I just honestly love it. I have so much of their jewelry, their ring as well. And it's been over, I think, a year. I think it's been a year and a half since I first started working with them. All of their stuff is still holding up so well. It has not tarnished. Like, this is definitely my favorite jewelry brand to date is Luisa. And I'm not just saying that because they send me stuff, but also because their quality is actually really good and their prices are very affordable, as well as shipping. Sometimes shipping can be expensive depending where you are located, but Luisa does have affordable shipping. And I do have a promo code for you guys as well. If you want to buy anything, go ahead and use code Alexandra Alvarez 20 for 20% off. I'll also have it linked in the description. But when they offered to send me more jewelry right away, I was like, yes, please, and I'm so excited for this. First item I'm going to show you, I've actually already worn it every single day since I've gotten it. I love it so much. I was on the hunt this round for like little dainty jewelry and rings specifically, and I saw 2 of them that I absolutely loved, and they did not disappoint. So this is the first one. This is their Haley ring, and I got in a size 6, which is true to size. I absolutely love it. It is so perfect. I like wearing it on this finger. You can also wear it on your thumb, since you can adjust it slightly and have it on the thumb like that, but I personally like it on my middle finger, so I've been wearing it literally every single day since I got it. It's perfect. It retails for $99 Canadian. Yes, it's a little pricey, but trust me, it is so worth it. It's good quality. All the other jewelry I've had for over a year has not tarnished, and it now has a 2-year warranty. They used to have a 1-year warranty, but they recently upgraded to a 2-year warranty. And moving on to the second one, again, another dainty little ring. This is their Orin ring. Again, I got it in a size 6. Very dainty, as you can see, and I just love it. The gold with the little sparkle to it. Like, look at that. So pretty, the both of them together. Even this one too. Like, this is still one of my favorite ones that I got from a few packages ago. But I'm obsessed with them. And then I did see something else that I absolutely fell in love with on the website. It is a new arrival. This one I haven't worn yet. I wanted you guys to see how it comes, but this is the Tracy necklace, which, fun fact, my very best friend in elementary school from like grade 1 was named Tracy, and instantly thought of her. We still follow each other on Instagram and we've kept up a little bit, but yeah, fun fact, my best friend from grade 1 was named Tracy. Look at how pretty pretty. I'm gonna try it right now. I forgot to mention also the second ring, the Orin ring, retails for $84 Canadian, as well as this necklace also retails for $84 Canadian. It also has different adjustable points on the chain. I typically like to wear them the smallest. Look at how pretty everything is. Like, honestly, the earrings and the rings, I've had these for over a year and you can't even tell. They look just as good as my brand new pieces, which I'm obsessed with. So shout out to Luisa. Thank you guys so much again for sending this over. So their pieces start from $39, and they also do always have new things on the website, so there's always something that I have my eye on. Never disappoint. So don't forget, I do have a promo code. You can use that, Alexandra Alvarez 20 for 20% off. But moving on to another thing that's 20% off right now, Sephora. So Sephora is doing their friends and family sale, and you can only get this if you have a link from an employee or a barcode that an employee gave you, anything like that. So I was lucky enough to get a link so I could use it online, which is exactly what I did. And I bought a couple things. Did I need anything? No, definitely would not have bought anything if it wasn't for this 20% off sale. I am one of those girls that is just like, if it's on sale, I guess I need it. So the first thing that I picked up was the Facial Radiance Pads by First Aid Beauty. I've used these a lot before and I love them. I haven't recently used them. I ran out and I just never restocked, so figured I would just try them out again. Especially now that it's in August, the winter and the cold is coming, so I want to make sure my skin is nice, prepped, and just hydrated at all times. This is the smaller version. It's only 28 pads, but I usually buy the bigger one in the gift sets when the holidays roll around. And then I also saw this on the website. I've actually never tried this. This is the First Aid Beauty Brighten Plus Glow Eye Cream, and it says safe for sensitive skin. I don't really have sensitive skin, but I know the under eye area is sensitive, so I wanted to try this out. Reviews were okay. I usually use the First under eye cream from my local drugstore. They did send it to me first, and then I went and I bought another one, but I just wanted to try these because I do really like First Aid Beauty. I think they're great. This is what it looks like, and then this is the applicator, so you just put a little under your eye to keep it hydrated. So we're gonna test this out for a little bit and we'll see if we like it or not. And then I saw this cute little set, which if I like this set, I know the holidays are coming up. As mentioned, there's still a few months until then, but I want to start planning like giveaway kind of content, and I saw this and I thought this was a really good deal. I think it was around $33 to $34 plus the 20% off, and you get 3 little Tarte lippies. First up, you get a lip creme. Looks like this. It's actually a really nice like mauvey pink color. The lip plump, which is this is the one that I actually have. This is what it looks like. It doesn't sting too much on your lips, which is what I really like. And last but not least, we have the Maracuja Juicy Lip, which, ooh, this is a brighter color. Oh, it's not as pigmented, as bright as I thought. I actually really like this. I'm gonna put this on right now. Not bad. I will say that I actually do like it. I'm going to test them out a little bit, and then I think I'm going to buy 2 more. I want to do 2 giveaway winners of like things that I love, so I might include like, I don't know, like a Lululemon belt bag and like fill the belt bag with things that I like, and this could definitely fit inside the belt bag, so let me know if you guys think that's a good idea. Then another thing I got, which I saw everybody hype this product up, this is the Rare Beauty All of the Above Weightless Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Integrity, but I saw the people using it as a highlighter and not necessarily as an eyeshadow stick, because I don't wear eyeshadow. I never learned how to put eyeshadow on. I never cared to use eyeshadow, but highlights, I love me a good highlight. I've tried the other Rare Beauty highlights before, the like powdered ones, and I returned them right away because they were just too glittery for me. Like, they had too much loose glitter. I didn't like that. This eyeshadow stick apparently doubles as a highlighter, which it's not bad. It does make a really pretty eyeshadow. It is very pigmented, but let's try putting some. A lot of people would put it like here, just tap it in. That's why I bought it, because I was like, it looks really pretty on the people that I've seen use it as like a highlight, and then they put it on like their inner corner as well. If this looks bad, then I don't really know what to do. I might have rubbed it in too much. Do we put a little bit more? Maybe. Did I even put any? It was also like $30 something for this, so I just wanted to test it out. If I don't like it, we can always return it, right? I feel like there's better highlighters out there in my opinion, so most likely will be returning this. I also almost forgot to show you guys this blush that I actually used right now, which is why it wasn't in the bag and I almost forgot about it, but this is the Sephora brand Sweet Pea blush. This was on sale for like $15. Had to pick it up and it's actually really pretty. This is what it looks like. It's like a bubblegum pink and then a little bit darker pink, which I don't have any like pinks like this. I wanted to go a little bit outside of my comfort zone. I wanted more of a pinky kind of blush today, so this is what I used and it is so pretty and the pigment is also very, very good. The color payoff. That's what it looks like. And last but not least, this is not from Sephora, but it's been so hard for me to find this one product from the drugstore. This is the Essence Lash Princess, the green one. My boyfriend's sister told me to use this one and I have not looked back. It's like $5 from the drugstore, the best mascara, and I have been looking for like a month for this and I finally found it at my drugstore, so wanted to include this. That is everything that I got. The code was a one-time use, so it was a little stressful. I did see some stuff after I checked out that I wanted to buy, but I have that on my wish list for when the VIB Rouge sale starts this holiday season. Last but certainly not least, American Eagle. These have been trending everywhere on social media and I know it's only August, but apparently we're already into Halloween spirit. They're sold out online right now, but these are the American Eagle crew socks in like this Snoopy. How cute is this gonna look with Uggs and then the socks peeking out? And they also did have matching pajamas, which literally as I was getting ready to film this video, I was like, let me check online if they have the matching pajamas. They have been sold out for so long and everybody online is begging them to restock, and I kid you not, extra small was restocked, so I purchased two, one for myself and then one for my boyfriend's sister because she also really wanted them. We just got so lucky, so I'm so excited. It's supposed to come in like 10 business days, so closer to the end of the month they will be here. I will show you guys that. Comfy girl fall is approaching and I'm so excited, but that is everything that I purchased. Love the sweater. I got this a couple months ago, maybe even a year ago now, but so cute. I love it, so had to wear it today in honor of him since he's not in the background of the video, but he's always going to be in my heart. And then also shout out to Anna Luisa for sending me over my jewelry. Again, absolutely love them. 20% off with code AlexandraAlvarez20. And if you're not yet subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of videos that I need to show you and a lot of hauls, so you don't want to miss that. Also give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!